Good morning, January 13th, 2025.
Good morning.
Right. Well, this week we have PPI and CPI. Tomorrow is PPI, I believe, and CPI on Wednesday. So, there you go. And then we got retail sales, I think, on Thursday. Housing on Friday. That's about all I got. So, tomorrow, or today, a little bit of news, but not much. I don't think it's anything even talking about. Let's see where it comes up at. Trying to get my little, uh-oh. Oh, here he is. Federal budget balance at 11, but we have something at 10. Doesn't even show up, it's so low. PPI tomorrow, 8:30. So that'll be worth it. Here's my little news broadcaster. And this is ES. ES, down, down, down. We had a little bounce up, close the gap. Let's see what it does now at open. Here, I'll just put that like that and do that. Here we go. Oops. All right, I need to scrunch my chart up just a hair. There. All right. There we go. So our chart, what do we have? We're into the, well, we just dropped out of the bull zone, little support area. The pivot's way up here. I think this might be grabbing yesterday's data. Let's see. No, maybe not. So pivot somewhere around 21,081 is what I'm showing. Let's see what my other system says. R2, R1. It doesn't show where the R pivot is. Well, here you go. So, anyway, we're below CPR. That's a given. And good morning, by the way. We're below the CPR. We're below this. We have a 4-hour sell gap from 980 to 933. So let's talk a little bit about Friday. Friday we were in this channel right here. Bam, bam, bam. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top. And then we busted down right before market open, I believe. So we busted out, tried to retap it, couldn't get up there, and then we failed again, right? Towards the end of the day. This morning we come in, and it was just a slow bleed pretty much all night until we bounced at around 6 this morning. 6 a.m. Where do we bounce? We bounced in a 240-minute fair value gap. It's something I talked about last week. We actually had, excuse me, we actually had another one up here. And if you remember, I said we would come down, my guess is we'll come down through this one, and hit this one. And I'm still thinking that's the case, that we come down here to 20,005. That was my number, 20,005. And we may even go all the way through to 454. So this is like one of the last hour gaps before we get way down into there. So my guess is they might want to take this out before we get any meaningful bounce. So that's kind of what I'm still standing by. Could we bounce up here and go up here? Yep, we could. This guy's now red. Let's change him to red. Okay, so my guess is we come down here to 20,005, 20,450. You know, it's 200 more points from where we are now. Can we get there? Yeah, we can. We can get there today. Will we? I don't know. Let's find out. All right, so that's the hour chart. 15 minutes. That's about what we got. A little flag building. Bam, bam, bam. Probably do something like this. Copy there. And something like that. So, just going to play it like I always do every day. I don't care if we go up or down. And here's the 5 minute. So I will be playing a little system today on the 5 minute. Morning, Michael. And it is just a little, so basically we came up and we bounced from here, right, down to here. Then we moved back up. So that constitutes a box, right, on the 5 minute chart. So now we tried it 3 times to come down. I think this one breaks down. I'm actually going to take, I know, before market open too. I'll just take one. Nah, I better not. I was going to just take one on this break, but I'll go ahead and wait. But anyway, I'm going to play this box. Whatever side we come out of this box is the direction I'm going to go. I'll actually put this one to all charts so that everybody can see it. There we go. And I'll know when I'm here what happens. Right? So this morning we got into the red around 9. So that means obviously trend is down. There you go. Boom, boom. So 15 minute went short. And that's where we're at. I do like this box system. It seems to be working. I back tested it. I played it last night. Made 2,000 on a direct to funding with TakeProfitTrader. Unfortunately, I can't show him because he's in his own little world. Let's see. TakeProfitTrader. Let's call it Project X. So they got their own little thing. I don't know if you guys are probably familiar with it, but they have their own little system. And there's their little system. You can see it made 2,000 last night, 102 now. It's a $100,000 account. It's not bad. So we'll see how it plays out. Also, there is TakeProfitTrader Pro has now released, or is no longer going to adhere. This is a short right here. I'm going to take one. Is no longer going to hold the 1100 or 1150 daily drawdown. So that's actually gone away, and that is no longer a requirement. So that's cool. I'm glad they got rid of that, because I've been stopped out many times on funded and non-funded by that 1150, thinking that I closed out ahead of time, you know, to stop the bleeding, and then just to soon find out that I was taken out. So I'm kind of happy about that. let's see, 67, so 77. I'm up at 87. I'll give it a little bit of room. All right, so today everything's shooting for around 1,200. That's what I'm shooting for, $1,200. We'll be playing the pre-market, and I don't have anything set up yet. But I will be playing that again, and he's going to just play micros once again. There's micros. So, all right. Oh, and I didn't show that, but I am short one on TakeProfitTrader Pro, and we'll see how that turns out. Let's see. Might get stopped out. That's the only bad thing about taking a pre-market short. Pre-market anything, actually. All right, I'm actually going to leave that just like that for right now. Let's go to this. I'll switch over to minis as soon as this 2-minute plays out. All right, we got about 3 minutes to go. Any questions? Morning, Michael. Trader, income trader, day one, we are breaking weekly supports. Yep. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. All right, we're trying to get a little wiki here. There we go. All right, I'll start off with 2-minute. There we go. We'll let him play out. See how he does. Okay, still a minute to go. I actually like 2 of these, so I also like this one down here. This would be another break. So, in case you didn't get the first one, you can get the second one. Orange, all things, and let's do a dash. So, there you go. All right, I might get taken out of this guy. That's okay, though. All right, go back to 2 minutes. There we go. See how this plays out. Retest is 80. All right. All right, good luck. Oh, there's the open. Not sure why that didn't trigger a short, but it didn't. £5 I think. 57. Oh, didn't hit 5 points, that's why. All right. Kicking off Monday, expecting big sports, did not expect an early rally. Okay. All right. Well, we're running. All right. Well, took the long, stopped out. Huh. All right. Just letting it play out. There we go. Now I got taken out. Oh, I didn't have those initialized. That's why. There we go. $5,800. Yeah, we're at 58.20 on ES. 58.19. Let's see what happens here. I got to get like 5 points below for this to trigger short. I tried to trigger short, but didn't get bought up. It's too late. There we go. I don't know if my 10 points is going to hold out. Currently at about 15 on the ATR. Let's see, 52 to 27. What's that? 25 points maybe. Huh? All right, got taken out. Still like the short. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what we're doing here. Come on. Whoa. Don't know what happened there. All my screens went dark. All right, time to sit in my hands for a while. Let's see what happens. Actually, I like it. If we get back up here, I think it's still a good short at 779. Okay, let's see. Still short on the 3-minute on the 818 system. It's looking good. The 5-minute drop on that box, just a little, should have got short up here. That's what I should have done. Okay. We'll see if that plays out. I'll take profit there if I can get it. Maybe just a little above it. Drop support down, or the stop down. ES is 58.15. There we go. Took that baby out. Okay, let's go to 1 minute. 1 minute's looking good. Coming up here, we got the 5 minutes in. Still, hold on 1 second. All right, got to refill my coffee, thank you. All right, so we came down here to that area I was talking about. Right there. Looks like it's holding for a little support. Maybe we come back up to the 5 minute here and retest that at 7:41. Two minute. About the same. Come on. 30 seconds left on the 5 minute. Just a quick test. Come on. Quick test. Gonna miss it by a couple ticks, I think. Yep. That would have been a good 10 points. All right, there we go. I don't want to take the short in the hole at the end, but oh well, I'd have to. London low is 693.75. All right, maybe the 5 minutes now going to come back up and retest that. Oh, come on, baby. Today's Monday, huh? There we go. Thank you. Okay, so we're getting a little stutter step, what I call a little stutter step, right? A little stutter in the market. and oh, I was going to move it up. Should have. Would have liked to have gotten it right about here. Oops. Right about here at 19. But let's see if that holds. Okay. Come on. Let's break that. There we go. Come on. Let's see. 13, 23. Oh, come on now. Load 3. Five-minute here. We'd like to see it break 93. Oh, you sucker fish. Okay, come on up to 5-minute gap is 741. Okay, a little bit higher. I wonder if we bounce here. Okay, take that off. Oh, that's a big old ugly candle. Yeah, I mean, I would have liked that 693. All right, let's see how we go. We go up and retest that. It's a pretty strong candle there. Don't really want to challenge it. We got 1 minute weighted here. Right now it's at 789, and then we got the VWAP at 812. So we just went up close to the 1 minute weighted. Well, that kind of put a damper on some things. All right, could still be the short. Doesn't make me want to do much right now, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. Just going to sit on my hands here for a minute. Gosh darn it. All right, let's look at the 15. Let's see what we got going here. Anything. Just a big green hammer. This is a new 15-minute candle. I don't know if we just continue to retrace this whole thing. Morning, Bahamas. Good morning. So, I'm not sure what to do, so I'm going to just sit here and wait. I mean, I didn't like that candle at all, obviously. Put a little fib on that guy to there. 50% is roughly 733, 734. About 10 points lower. We are dropping back below this trend line again, but man, that's a stopper. That'll stop you and make you think, No. Did you? They told me they were going to send them to me, but oh. But I haven't gotten it. And I haven't checked emails this morning. Okay, yeah, I just got them. Thank you. Before once, so you got about 4 days. Yeah, I'll do it later. Great. All right, 5 seconds on this 5 minute. I'm going to wait. I'm just going to sit here. We're still in the red, so everything's down, 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 down. Everything's pointing down. ATR is at 23. Pointing down. I could kind of put this in a box, but as they say, don't diddle in the middle. So we're in the middle. So I'm going to just wait. Still got 9 minutes on this 15, so it's still pretty fresh. Get rid of that. Got 10 more minutes for a new hour, so once at 10 o'clock, then that guy will start a new one, which could always be exciting with the new hour candle coming out. All right, new 5 minute, relatively new. Yeah, ES is now at 58.27. I didn't see how low it got. I should put the low and the high on here. If I can get it. No columns. I'm obviously not doing anything here yet anyway. Oh, here we go. Guess not. Here you go, daily high and daily low. All right, so ES got down to 58.09. Always keep an eye on ES. Okay, I am just gonna wait. Good moves down, and just an enormous green candle up, man. I mean, I can't trade that. So I gotta wait. Pushing up a new session high. Okay. I'll wait another minute for this 5-minute candle to close. We're down 200 points already, right? So about right at 1%. ES is down 0.5%. We just may get they may just squeeze the hell out of us. Damn it. That means I'm going to have to just hop in. Look at that shit. So that's just ridiculous. Can't play that. Unless I just hop in, close my eyes. Right? Or kind of wait for a signal here. We got how much more time? It's like another 12 seconds or so, 10 seconds. Let's see, 80. So we could come down to 80. I'm sitting right below the 1 minute weighted, which for the most part is kind of pointing down. Might be mute, might just go without me. All right, we're above VWAP. And if we get back above session high, we just may just keep on going. You just may squeeze you. I'm tired of all this shit. What's NVIDIA doing? She shouldn't be doing that well, right? I mean, bad news this morning. There we go. Yeah, it's rising now. Maybe trying to fill the gap. That might be what we're getting here. Don't really want to just jump in. I did get a signal here on wealth charts at 821. for a long. I kind of like to use that as my just my little indicator, keep you on the right side of the trade. But it got long at about, oh actually no, it's probably right in the middle of the long, 820. But I'm going to just hold off here. Looking for my sign. Oh, this might be it. Okay, for a long, let's see if we can get a, obviously it'll be a move back above here. And this is going to be a very vertical, which I don't like. Let's go to the 2 minute. Might be a little more favorable. There we go. So it'd be something like that. Preferably, I'd like something come down here to the 5 minute. That's what I'd prefer to have happen. Let's see. Everybody's going long, huh? IWM, just not my cup of tea yet. Okay. See if we come down to this 5 minute, we retest that. I'd have to have somewhat of a bullish candle to go long. So, on the 1 minute. Let me just get rid of this. It's going to get in the way. So if we're going to stutter step and go long, then this is the kind of move I'd like to see. I'd like to see 3 reds. I don't know if I'll get 3 reds, but that's what I would like to see. And it's not that I'm all about going long. I'm just going with the way the market wants to go right now, which potentially looks to be long. So do we come down to the 5 minute? Pretty close. So I'm going to go back to the 1 minute, and I'm going to wait to see if he'll come down, give me the 1 minute test. Even a little bit lower is fine. If he wanted to fill this gap, right? Fill this gap right here. You know, he may have just touched it, and that might be good enough. It would have been nice to come down and hit that 5 minute, 785. Missed it by that much, 4 points. Now I heard Tradovate might be having some problems. Does anybody use TakeProfitTrader? Or My Funded Futures? Alright, so here's a test at the 5 minute. Wouldn't mind seeing this gap fully cleared out. I don't know why I wasn't watching this. Right there, 50%. Coming down to the 50%. I'm just going to put 3 lines, just so I know. Four lines. All right. So that might be an aggressive line, trend line. Not one that I would be really wanting to play, but okay, so here's the 61.8. Let's go look at a 15-minute. So we got kind of a resistor looking candle there. Brand new 15-minute. The 5-minute gave us a decent reversal candle. This could just be a short. I might try one. Let me see. Ooh, good thing I did. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we did the retest on the 5, but I need a bullish candle to come off that so I could, it gets me excited. That's not bullish enough, I don't think. Morning, Baldy. All right. I got nothing yet. Let's see, what is that line in the sand? 780. Pretty close to right here. So if we drop below 780, then that gets me to a short thinking. A strong move back up means, okay, we came down to the 5-minute, bam, busted up. But you can see the move just hasn't been that crazy yet. Okay, maybe this is it. Get above VWAP. Let's see if I can get a 1-minute close above VWAP. So we're at 35 seconds left. And this one just may blast off. All right, new 5-minute. Nothing looking really good. Just trying to stay out of the choppiness. Back up to VWAP. VWAP's holding right now. Definitely a move back below the 1-minute weighted would be bearish. And that currently is 783. I picked 780 would be bearish. And then a move back up above, a close above would be bullish at 823. I might just take it out now. All right, so we got above this trend line, which I feel a lot better about, 718. Yeah. Might not be a bad long. Retested that. It came down to 315. It wasn't quick enough. Alright, ES is up 58.41. So it's up some 30 points from the low. Yeah, there we go. Darn it. I just couldn't get that timing down. In hindsight, obviously, this was a better trade. But I just couldn't. I didn't feel comfortable. Okay, I'm going to that's right. I'm going to lose this one too, aren't I? Damn it. I don't know what that was about. Well, okay, we're getting a lot of wicks up here, right? So they're struggling to go higher. You know, I could do something like this. And they are struggling. So we got 5 more minutes on this 15. This one's about done, and let's see what he turns out to be. Maybe I think I'm still looking for that drop below 80. Would probably still be a short. $8.56, man, was a big candle. All right. Okay. Still sitting on my hands. So if I go to a 15-minute chart, right, probably would have done something like this. We do have something like this. And we definitely have something like this. All right, little intraday support, little support. Okay, ATR is 24 points. I'd like it to come down a little bit more. Okay, there's the 5. Still like it below 80. If we can get there. I'm going to have to change my stop is set to like 20 points or something. So I'll bring it down a little bit. Let's say 78. Yeah, it's a little dangerous. This is not a very good place to short. Just because we can easily bounce back up. We are black below the 1 minute weighted. So this actually 84 would have been a really good entry. Come on, stay down below. See if we stay down below here, the 1 minute weighted. Come on, let's go. Got down to 75. Oh, come on. You can do it. Nope. Doesn't want to. There we go. Let's go. 40 pointer. Let's go. Let's get it. 40 points would be about 44. Not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. Fuck. Missed it by so much. Take your hit. Come on down. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get to 44. Minute. So we got 3 minutes on this 5. $78. All right, I'm not a big fan of this, so I'm going to reduce my risk down, which probably means stopping out. What's that, 78? Came down. Shoot. No, that would be the low to the high there. 61.8. Looks like we're going to do a little move up. Looked like it was going to be a nice little M pattern, but it kind of fell out halfway through. Well, I got nothing. Just all a bunch of... So better just sit back and wait it out, I guess. Still halfway through on the 15. Here's the 5, and I'm just not sure, you know, what to do here. You got IWM coming down. Nvidia looks like it's starting to come down. It's got a little red candle anyway on the 15. If Nvidia drops another, I don't know, 131.47, it's at 59 now. That might not be so good for it. Sell signal. I'm still in a sell signal. We got this big 1 minute gap here, which is where we're at now. So it looks like they might want to take it out down to 719. Where can I get short at? I mean, 43 potentially. And actually it wouldn't be a bad short. Give it a try. I'll just go for little targets here. See if I can get some 10 points. So down to 27. We got a 5 minute gap fill potentially at 755. So we could, you know, the question is, did they close it at 753? That's what I'm thinking, yeah. So then 44, once this candle closes, will be the next spot to come back to. And again, depending on how, if this is a big red candle or not. So 744, so about 39, potentially could be an area. Come on. So bull's last stand is 724. I'll try to lock in 10 points if I can get there. Come on, baby, drop it. All right, I'll lock in 10 just to get something here going today. All right, so we closed the 1 minute gap. We left some open. This one's now closed. Minute 25 on this 5 minute. So session low right now is about 702. And I'd like to drop down there. Yeah. So 44, I said 39 earlier. I think I'll stick to that. This 5 minute closes up in about 10 seconds. So I'll look for a push back up, hopefully fill me, and then drop back down. But we might only get to that guy, it's 37. So maybe I'll come down a little bit. Could just keep on going too. So retesting bull's last stand. And we're going to drop. Nope. What is that? Okay, so that's just a red line I put in. Yep. Okay, I got tricked, triggered, not tricked. Come on, baby, stay back down. All right, so we got up to 749, so 38. Nope, it's gonna take me. Gosh, damn you! Wow. Well, can't play that. Can't play that. Well, we came down the same area as last time and jetted up. kind of hard to take play at. All right, so did we just come up and retest this? Is that what we did? I don't know, a little baffled this morning, trying to figure out a way to play this. 5 and 10 points. I don't even have an app one for that, do I? Well, let me make one. Profit. 20 and 40. Save as. 5 and 10. Oh, I already said it. No, I already have one. Oh, there it is. All right. So from the low to the high today, we're just kind of playing in the middle. Okay, this gap is done. This gap is done. And we just got this one up here. This one, not quite done all the way. But I don't think it has any power left either. This guy's done. Yep. All right. This guy. Yep. Pluto Trade says he's short 2 minis. 693. Oh, that was a while ago. Didn't get your target, but you could still be short. 693. I don't know if you still are. Let's see, 27. Oh, down here. This guy's done. we've left some down here. Oh, another move up. Gosh darn it. All right, we're down 212. ES is, I don't know, it still says 50% or 0.5% net change. NQ is 1%. Let me see about columns. All right, we're above VWAP. Strong move above VWAP. Go on without me. Still, we got up to this point and got rejected again, which is this 15-minute fair value gap, yeah? Nope, didn't get up there. For sure the 5-minute, nope. Just got this resistance up here, doesn't like it. So far it's holding. Oh, maybe I got some time to hook up my that is annoying. So Tradevate is down, I guess, which is probably be good, yeah, because it's a shit. Let's see, what did I do here? Log in to your Apex. Your free accounts will only be available if you're logged in. Receive your exclusive 3 accounts by using the links after you log in by visiting okay. Okay, well, that's something I'll work on later. I don't think I want to do that right now. All right, there's a big 15-minute engulfer. See how we do here. Can we break through this time? So we got a fake down and then a big move up. I'm sure you got out of that Pluto trades, that short. Hopefully it's not too much damage. I don't really want to take the long above sessions high either. Could be trying to fill the gap. So the low from Friday, I believe, 874. Is that right? Yep. So 874.75. That's what I got. Maybe we're going to go up there and fill that gap. Gumby, Gary, did you get that IWM long finally? What did IWM do? Let's see. So that's my 15-minute. It needs to stay. Oh. Okay, there's that 874. See what happens. Huh. Well, good day to just kind of hang out, I guess. Anybody do anything good over the weekend? Okay, there's that. There's that. So TakeProfitTrader says they kicked off the new year with a bang. They have officially removed the daily loss limit from all accounts. Oh. currently have a 50% off for life. I do like the CQG data feed. That and my funded futures, man, it's so fast. When I go to connect that, it just that quick. I go to connect Apex, and 2.5 minutes later it'll connect. All right, waiting and looking for a trade. Look at those 3 green candles. Wow. Just not my cup of tea. I guess this was a step here, little step there, little step here, little step here, step here. Looking for a pullback. Can't do anything without a pullback. How's the trader bait? Anybody? Nope. All right, we got 4 ups and 1 down, so we're turning green. I don't like it though. Still down 150 points, or 0.7%, and ES is down 0.2829 now. Was 0.55. So they're up at 58.48. They're up from the low, good 31 points. Sorry, can't do the math. 28 points. 29 points. Almost 40 points, that's what it is. All right, still waiting. No. Well, what are we doing here? I don't know. All right, new 15-minute. That's what we're doing. This hour's got 6 more minutes left. So 15-minute gap, which I don't really watch. This guy in the 5-minute is relatively important. Damn it. 54 would have been a good short. Right there. With the potential to go all the way down to the bottom at 701. Yeah. I drink a lot of coffee this morning. I'll be back. All right, doesn't look like I missed much. Pissed I left all my morning IWM profits go back. Yeah, that is a bummer. Seem to get through that. See if we drop back below VWAP and the 1 minute weighted. What's 15 look like? Yeah. Still got 2 minutes left on this 15. My short would be below 808. After the new candle. IWM does? Yeah, looks like it does. I can't tell because I got this VWAP is in my way. I can't tell. And Trading View did IWM fill its gap? All right, so what's that number now? 804. A little bit lower. 39 seconds left. Oh, minute 39. Let's see where they end this 15-minute. Let's see. All right, so about 3 to 4 seconds delay time. Not bad. All right, got about 16 seconds on this 15, which would put it right at the bottom, it looks like, of the bull zone here, this green area. So let's go with the 5 minutes. Going to close out this gap. So 15, 10. Oh, got within 2. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay where I'm at. Wow. See if we drop back below that prior 15-minute wick. There we go. Got to get down below here. We're in no hurry, apparently. For either way. Not sure what happened there. Why'd that get removed? See, 88, 66, 88. Just missed me for 10. I'll take one off here just to lighten the load. There we go. Now it'll go there. Got a gap fill up back up to 1 minute weighted around 293. This does finish out this 5 minute, closing out the 5 minute gap. So got to watch for a potential reversal here. I'll see if we can come out and take out the lows. Well, actually it'd be right here, right? Oh, perfect. All right, nice little trade. I got those cues. Come on, baby, keep going. holding out at that 5-minute gap fill right there, right around 775. So 765. Oh, I wasn't ready. Damn it. Let's see if we can keep coming down. There we go. Go, boy. Come on, let's get a little flush going. Nope. Wrong flush. Missed that, huh? All right, 2-point stop. See if I can catch it something. All right, I'm going to go ahead and, just because I haven't had a day yet, I'm going to lock in some points here. Come on, stay down. Trying to lock in 64, but I need at least 56 to get there. Come on, flush it out. Nope. Just sitting up there. It's almost using that as a little platform, a little support. Okay, a drop back below 57 could give us something. Let's say the 15-minute. That's the one I like the best. I don't know how that happens. Wow. Okay, got a minute left on this 15-minute. And on the 5, see if we can get some color, some red. See if we can drop on down. Come on, at least come down to 741. All right, let's break 741. All right, just to suck up. The last minute. Yeah, gonna take me out, you sucker fish. Back below 750. Okay, 5 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4 reds, and this one's gonna turn. I don't know what it's gonna turn. I'm down to playing micros, so I can play a little bit. Just kind of ugly today, right? Up, down, up, down. I mean, but man, these 5 minutes, it looks great. I guess the 1 minutes looked pretty good once you got into the trade, but man, I can't take, it's hard for me to follow a signal off of 1 minute. You got a big 1 minute gap up here. Little guy here, no, not much, not much. Yeah. Yep. The 5 minute might be a reversal. Long would have to be above 782. Got a short signal at 774 on the wealth charts. Actually, that was a pretty good one. 774. Would have taken about an 8-point move against you. Move against entry. exit long, exit long, exit short. Just about all losers today. Came down to the 78.6 on this move up. So either we bounce here or we continue coming down. The long and the short of it be right here. Potentially. Alright, so we got this big old gap here that we're bounced on. Can't forget that guy. And get rid of him. That must be a 5-minute. Yep, so we can get rid of him. Looks like we're going to head down. Say 73, 74. Oh, shit. Almost forgot. I still got 5 contracts of QQQ still. Gotta watch that. I better put a stop in. Stop at just get out. One minute wait, it's kind of going sideways. Same as VWAP. It's just not anything good. Just a little consolidation day. That's what it's looking like. At least until maybe this afternoon. Some decent moves up, just hard to catch. I guess you could have done something like that. Here we're going for a high right there. See if we can get above the 1 minute weighted. Nope, that was it. Didn't even get above it. Okay, 1 minute at 768 gap. That could be a potential fill. Seconds on this 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, this is just ugly. Let's guess, see if you break out or break down, huh? Anybody got anything? I'm all out of my cues. I don't know if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing. Probably not a good thing at the end of the day. Took 20 contracts and sold 10 at, got them at 50, sold 10 at 75, and sold the last, or sold 5 at 67 and probably 67. They're currently 69.70. Got in at 50. Well, if you look at the 50%, are where we're at in today's session, go from the low to the highs. We're in the lower part of the trading range, but not a real big number. Okay, still calling for that 5,800, huh? We're at 58.31 right now. What's IWM doing? Oh, nothing's in the middle of between the pre-market low and high. What's SPY doing? SPY got probably, I don't know if we got close enough to its gap fill or not. Not really, but probably doesn't have the strength to get up there. So what we do as traders, we wait. Unfortunately. A lot of waiting. I think I spend probably more time with my feet kicked back up in the air than I probably do trading. Well, we know that, right? Everybody does. Yep, just hanging out. Maybe we get a push up here. Could just go like this, and then just don't trade in the middle. Just wait to see which way we come out of. Oh, I hear you. Oh, God. Minute, busting up above that little trend. I do mean little. There's the bust out. All I got to do is not pay attention and start reading something. All right, see what happens if we bust out above the 1 minute weighted. Right there. These guys are still good. I'll delete this as soon as he gets above, if he gets above. But we're busting above this previous wick right here, right around 72, making a move up. How small, ever small it is, 15 minutes, still has about 10 left. Maybe that was just a big fakey do. What was? Moved up, drop her down, move it up, drop her down, right? Maybe this will be a move up until later this afternoon where they'll drop it. I don't know. That would be the biggest fake out there is that they could do, I think. Right? Move it out, bam, drop it down, get everybody short, flip it on them right at the morning open, push it up, not quite high enough, drop it back down, get everybody short again, thinking, oh, this is the one, and then just rip your frickin' face off. Big old candle. Right, look at that baby. 3, 4 candles straight up, then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Just ludicrous. Just truly scalping is the only thing you could have done was to jump in and hang on. What a day to stop trying to do that. All right. Yowzer. What did that thing go up? 775. Good 30 points. Boom, and then right back down at you. Easy come, easy go, I guess. Yeah. Trader Vate's back up. How many Trader Vate players we got here? Anybody? We got one I know of. No Trader Vate players? Put a 1 in the chat. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Just remember we're about 4 seconds delayed. There you go. 1003. $21 EMA, yep. Five minutes, got a minute left, got 6 minutes left. So you get a bust out 30 pointer, and then right back down at you. 809. Jeez. All right. So here's what I did. This is what I'm trying to do is 5 minute. Right? I put this guy in a big old box right here. Basically, I'm trying to say, well, I don't really want to trade in here unless I'm up here, which I missed this. I caught a little bit of it, but not enough. I should have went short right here because we dove back into the box. Now we're inside here and it's just sloppy. Right? I mean, a lot of wicks. Got a 1 minute gap up here still. 1 minute weighted moving average. And VWAP are kind of sideways. It's just not a good time. So Tradevate back up and running, I guess. I don't have anything Tradevate now, but we shall see. Coming back up to the 5 minute and the 15 minute high. Is that correct? Must be correct. Yep. Right to there. Every time we've gone above this, we've kind of rocketed up. See if we can get above VWAP here. Just thinking about just jumping in. VWAP at 802. Probably wouldn't have been a bad play. Only problem is your stop is down at 85. Probably about 82. Okay, we got a 1 minute gap here. It's somewhat forming. See if we can come down and feel that a little bit. Okay, trying to get back above VWAP. Damn it. And there she goes. Let's see. Yep. See if we can come back down. We're going to close that gap there. 603. Would have liked 03. Okay, 31 to 49. All right, got to do 5 minute. Let's see what the 15 is looking like. Got a new 15. Come on, just come on down here. Nothing really needs to be done here on the 5, and the 1's got one down here. Okay, there's the Anito 3. Come on back down. Would like to see it at 98 would be the best place I could think of for right now. But I don't know if it'll get back below VWAP or not. I mean, ultimately, that would be the best spot, 782. I can get rid of this. No, I can't. That will stay there. This one wasn't really anything other than just a box around here. We did get to 03, 0375, 0425, 0150. There we go. Come on. I really don't want to be entered in yet. I'd like to get 06 or 05. Oop. Come on, bust up there. Give me 26. Nope. Come on. Nope, got taken out. Yep. All right, see if we can come down here right to the top of that guy. Let's see, 94, 97. Yes, a little dangerous. Come on, let's get it up. Let's get above VWAP. Stay above VWAP. Nope. All right, coming down to test that box, top of that box. I really don't want it to go any further than that. If I can get 10 points or 5 or something like that, I'll try to slip in and take it. All right, we came down again and hit it. 97 to 04. No, they're going to get me. Come on. They're just teasing me. Now I'm just going to reduce my risk down, probably get stopped out here. I really don't want to come back down below VWAP again. Oh, you sucker. Yep. There we go. 3 times if we hit the top of that box. Let's see if we close that. Back to the 1 minute weighted. And 5 minute high is the top. Garbage time. Shouldn't be trading right now. It's 11:50, 12 o'clock noon. Unless we get a little algo that takes us off at lunchtime, either takes it up or takes it down, one of the two. Don't really have a play on the 15. This is just ugly, man. Just ugly. I guess the 5 minute had a play if you would have taken this. 72, 59. You got to add a 13, 14 point stop. You get to move up, take your profit, you walk away. There we go. We just closed the 1 minute gap there. Got another 1 minute gap. I didn't see that one. Right here. So did they come down and tap it? Alright, 15 minute gap's just about closed. The 1 hour chart, just ugly. Just nothing. You know, why can't we get some nice candles like this? So sitting inside this box, it's a great, this is what I was talking about earlier, is this box here, it's a great little window and say, you don't trade in the middle. Just stay out. You know, you could have got fooled by this one. What was that? 61 to 80, 20 points. You could have went to break even. You could have lost 10. Just said, okay, I got lost on that one. Oh no, 55, 25 points. Below 51. Right there. Back below VWAP, back below the 1 minute. Damn it, I missed that too. Probably right there, about 85. Looking for 40 is the play. Looks like they're going to get it. Damn it. Just not my day. Just as long as I can acknowledge that. I'm going to take a short here. I'm going to be on, I'm on micros. 42, where's 15? 15 already happened, right? 51. Then you get a boost at 43. So 43. Yeah, I'm just too far. This is a short and a hold. Don't like it. Come on, give me 10. 7 to 37, 43. What we got? 2 minutes on the 15 and on the 5. All right, I'm going to just put my stop for 2 points or something and then say, well, if I get something, I get something. Just like that. All right, see how we accelerated when we got through 43 and all the way down to 30 something, 29, 28. Let's go. I'll try to lock in at least 10, which means I'm going to get taken out probably. Unless we get lucky. Got to have a little bit of luck. A little bit of luck. Come on, keep going, baby. 27. Let's get down. Is that IB? No, Bull's last stand, which is at 724 once more. IB low is 702. And now we're going to do our 1 minute wick. Last minute. I'll jump back in if he gets me. Take a 2-point stop again. Yeah, let's go 40. That'll be 6 points. Ooh. There we go. Come on. Yep, taken. Probably could have stayed in that trade. Probably would have been the thing to do. All right, so 5 minutes coming down, 15 minute. How much time? We got 12 seconds. I like to play the last few seconds here. Come on, get back up. Damn it. I was looking for a little more up because I don't want this candle. Damn it. Come on, let's make the new low first before you get sucked back up. 36, 26. Yep, let's go down there. Come on. Let's see if we can drop bull's last stand. 24. We've already hit it once, twice, quite a few times today. Once, twice, almost twice there, 3 times. All right, if we get down below bull's last stand, we could get a little drop there, 24. I don't really want the pop, I want the drop. Come on. I'm going to go to, oops, was going to go to 26. I need a little bit more. Oh, come on. I need 16. Nope, not going to get it. So far we held bull's last stand, bounced right on it. Okay, we filled this gap, right? Maybe that's what we were trying to do. Damn it, I forgot all about that gap. Yep, so took that gap out. Bull's last stand, which is also S4. Okay, so we got this gap and 5 minute potentially filling up to here. So 71. Let's look for 67. We got to 63. I'll try 66. Actually, what is that? 71. We could get up there. The only problem, the reason why I didn't want to take that trade, probably going to hurt me in the long run, is we have this gap here, and then you got this one here that it's trying to fill. Here's the 1 minute. Same thing, right? Came up. Okay, so we got into this one. This one is gone, but it reopened right there. This one is gone. Came down to bull's last stand once again. So far it's holding. You did get your 40 points from the break of the 1 minute weighted, which I usually get that probably 6 out of 10 times. I did not get it today. A new low would be probably, well, tough for me to say now. All right, so you got a little buy gap right here that's going to get, looks like taken out right now. This guy's done. That guy's been hit. See if we can get some support here, or if we keep on coming down. What do we got on the 5 minute? All right, little resistor guy, 15. He could still turn red if he comes down. Still got a lot of time on him. So this guy's going to probably give me my clues. So we're making higher lows, right? Here's one, or not here's one, but here's one, and here's one. And this is one. So we got a higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. Higher high, higher high, higher high, ta-da. So five-minute gap right here. Okay, closed out this one. Almost closed this one out. We're going to leave a buy gap below, potentially. This one's done. And that's all I got. But I got no potential 5-minute reversal, no 15 reversal, just ugly. We're just staying inside this big box. And this is nothing more than the first down move to the first up move. Ideally, we would have worked our way out already and then come back up and retested this guy from the bottom, or worked our way up, created another one up here to come back and retest. Again, it would have been an entry here. But you got none of that. So that means it's just this, right? Sideways. So the only thing you can do potentially is to try to play the lows. Well, when you don't come down to the lows, it's kind of hard to play it. And you went up through a high, but you took it out and then came back down. So again, tough to play. Right, and it's pretty evident on a 3-minute chart when your 3-minute signals, you know, this was actually a pretty good trade here at 9 o'clock this morning. And the potential was 86 points, so you should have got at least 50. But then after that, even though you exited short here, you didn't get much. You went long here, you lost. You went short here, you lost. You went short again down here, you lost. Well, on the break, I would have done the break. And again, you went long. If you waited for this candle, you had got a long, which the long wasn't bad. Right, 63 points, but potentially the maximum. You know, you could have got 30, 40. but then it's just sloppy choppy. Okay, so now we're heading back up apparently. Let me expand this out. All right, we're filling in this 5-minute gap here. 1 minute. We're leaving some gaps. Actually, this guy should be something like that. That's good. That's good. Everything's good so far. We got a big gap up here. We might as well go out and probably fill him up. But these are all covered, it looks like. Just ugly. There we go. Oh, yep. I'm going to take one here. See if we can get up. Got to get up through 18 and then 25, 18, 25, and 35. See what happens. See if we can get there. Potential 5-minute fill of 88. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Okay, got 3 minutes to go. Still a long time on the 5 minute. And the 15. Above 814. There's your mark at 18. Your mark above 26. And 35. 35 is on the 5 minute. That long was just a break above VWAP and the 800 whole number, right? Gave me 20. Didn't take anything. But still got 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes on the 5. It tried to get above 26, 27, which is kind of, it didn't double top, but it just rejected up there. See if we can get back above. So my numbers are 27 and 35, I call it. Got to get above there. The top of the 1 minute gap is right around 49. So I might refine that number a little bit. Let me see what that low is here. The low is 48.75. So I'll go to 48.25. See if I can get it. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry, I was on the 1 hour chart. I don't know how I got there. Sorry about that. Let's see. Come on, baby, you can do it. All right, up at 50. I'll probably put a stop somewhere in there. I'll take it. If we get to like 42 or 43 or something and start to slow down, I'll probably take it off. All right, so got above the 2650. Now, really, it's got to get above. There we go, 35, 36 area. Come on, let's rip up there to 48, 49. Be done with this gap. So we just got a little bit higher. I hate to reject here too. All right, so we better go into a little more protect mode, right? I mean, if I can get to 29, obviously I can't now, but all right, there's 30. 29 is 25 points. And we can still try to let this thing go higher. Oh, there we go. So there's 10 points above. I usually like to at least get a 10 point above. Just barely got there though. Just want to see that close. Do me like that. Come on. Give me 48. All right, I'm going to lock in 29 here. 48, 25. We got the 45. Probably should have taken that. Come on, one more try. I don't know if that was close enough. Oops, on candle. 48.75. Come on, give me 48. There we go. All right, close enough. I'll take that. Get a little win. All right, nice little trade. Just got to close out that gap. $48.75. I think it's going to do it. There it is. Bam, bam. Where's the flag? What account is that? Wow. So, done. There we go. Okay. All right, good trade. Good trade. Took that from 804 to 845. So roughly 41 points, 40 points, somewhere in there. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Even if we do continue to go up. All right, so I'm going to get rid of this gap. That's what I want to see on a reversal on a 5-minute, not a 1 minute. All right, so our 5 minutes going to close out here. All right, we're above the 48.6. And it looks like we're going to go a little longer, a little higher. All right, so here's that box we've been in for the most part all day, or 3 hours, maybe even longer than that, right? If I take it back further, yep. I mean, really since like 4 in the morning when we dropped down in it. So we could go higher here, get above the bull zone here. Is that what it is? 50 points? Yep. 700 to 856. 150. 150 pointer. So we're at the top. We haven't hit the top. Well, we hit it here. We didn't hit the bottom. We hit it here. We didn't hit the bottom. We're going to hit it here. Or we did hit it here. And we're making higher lows. Right? can do something like that. So now, usually I don't like the first one, but since this technically was the first one, I'm going to try just a little long here. Oh, I'm going to take one off. Take this guy below. See if it can stay in the trade. And where do I want to go? Well, the next significant point is 897, which is midnight high Eastern, right? That's what this line here is. So for me, that's a pretty significant line. I mean, we can just blow right through it. Yes, we can. But it's still, look at, we tried to hit it here, we tried to get below it. We spiked up. We did hit this one, but look at the size of that candle. Bam! Came back, retested it, rejected, retested, rejected, retested, got above it, went below it, tried to get back above it again, rejected, came all the way down. So fairly significant number, right around 897. So maybe that's where we're trying to get to retest. I don't know. But let's see if we can get there. That'd be a nice little, you know, just a little long here from roughly 60 to 96. If I can get it, no guarantees. I'm trying to hide below the box level, which this box level is a lot lower than, or higher than mine. What's that? 455. Yeah, that looks good. I think mine only comes right here when I see down below. Yep, I'm at 43, which is a little lower than I'd like to be. Let's see if we can hold here. I don't think we can. I don't think I can stay in the trade, honestly. Don't think I can stay in this trade. Oh, got taken out. Yep. But it was worth it for me. I think it's still a potential. 47. I'm going to try one more time. I'll give it a little bit less of a stop this time. Oops. Okay, I'm all right. And we'll try to get up there to 97, 95 area. Okay. So we got 35 seconds for this 5-minute candle, so I'm hoping it can show some color and get on up there. If not, then I'll probably get out of the trade. And then I'll look to see if if we close above 847 or below it. That's what I want right there. Okay, so we just went below it. 5-minute, looks like a short. Got a nice little potential reversal candle there. Now let's see what it does. I'm going to try to stay in this trade right there. I could take it off at VWAP at 802. Probably not a bad play. Yep. Yeah, it's not a bad play. Come down here. I don't know if we can get it, but we'll see. Let's see, where are we at with the 15? Because that's going to dictate some stuff. Okay, brand new 15. So I don't get a whole lot of confidence in this trade just because of the 15 and this candle here. Now, if we come down and fill the gap at 14, I'll definitely be out. But I don't like this. There's no reversal here on the 15. Doesn't look like it wants to reverse. Looks like it wants to be strong. And I'm going to get out. Damn you. Yeah, there's nothing I liked about that on the 15. But 5 minute was looking good. That was a nice reversal, potential reversal. See if we can break out above that, like Hyper was saying. See if we can break out above the bull zone here. 859. Don't stop. Yeah, exactly. That 15 minutes, what took me out. She's a strong one. You know, yeah. Take out that breakout above 862. Nothing wrong with that. Let's just be ready. Ready. So 15 minute, 5 minutes, got some buy gaps here. Get rid of that. My target would be about 897. If we can get it, it's 30 points. It's not bad. There you go. 1 minute's looking pretty strong there. So see if we get that breakout above. Not crazy about the breakout above, but 15 minutes looking pretty good. Still got 10 minutes left, so he could still play some games and even come down to 14 and then go strong. I don't think it's going to do that, but 26 to 15, it could. Again, coming up on yesterday's low at 874.75. Hold on. Gosh dang it. I'm going to close that out. None of my PAs and everything stopped playing. And so did this guy. The 15 minutes still holding. Let's look at, keep on the 1 minute. Well, this is IB high right here, 55. I like that even more now. Oh, 855, 55, 25 points. But IB doesn't seem to be holding much. Doesn't look very strong today. I'm gonna spot at 5 points. So nope. I'm out. I'm done. I've had enough. Beat up enough. Alright, not a very good day today. I'll still try to dwindle these guys down if I can later today, if we can get a move, get something going. It is what it is. It's the way it is sometimes. But I can live to fight another day. Hopefully. So, this guy's gone. And this guy's still alive. And these guys are alive. These guys are alive. So, still shitty. It's alright, I had a good week last week. And we'll try to pick it up again tomorrow because I'm getting tired and I'm not getting any benefit. There's nothing here. It's just lunchtime, a lunchtime chop. Not my style of play. Oops. I can probably just get rid of that guy for now on. Watch us get a move now when I hang up. Coming down to the 5-minute gap here. 26 to 14. That's what I'm saying. Still got a lot of time in this 15. He can come all the way down here if he wanted to. Yep. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining in. You know, if you're looking for Apex stuff, just remember it's cheaper to do a reset than it is to buy new evals. And then TakeProfitTrader removed its $1,100 daily loss limit. Now you don't have that. Thank goodness. They're also doing a 40 or 50% off, I think. And then I did have a good day yesterday on, what was it called? TakeProfitTrader. It's a new account for me. They were having a little sale, direct funding, like 50% off. I think I got it for $3.79, and they use kind of a trading view software. So, but not many indicators or anything. So, not helpful in that way. I mean, you got your EMAs and stuff like that, and a few of them, but no real, no third-party indicators so far that I've seen. And I had a pretty good day on it, up 2,000. It's a $100,000 account. I got to get 5,000 in order to get payout. Anything above 5,000, I can request a payout on day one. No, because they also have I think it's a 30% consistency. All the paperwork says 20, but I've seen literature that they said it's 30% now. So I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. Right now I'm just playing for 2,000 a day, and that's it. So I figure that way in 4 days I can pull out a couple grand. You can only take 2,000 at a time. It's not bad. Well, we'll see how that plays out. There's your 15-minute. Should be moved back up. Came down into that gap. So, all right, good luck, everybody. Chat tomorrow. See ya.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking